today, changing the brakes. Gonna tune it up. Look at this car. 4420. Tuneup radio aftermarket. Sounds pretty good. I mean, all that seats in here are all original. The back deck. I mean, it's like mint condition. Look at that headliner. You don't see nothing like that. There you go. That's something really nice. Get your ass to swivel right out the door. You don't see no new hoopies with that. Ain't got no power windows. I'd rather not have power windows. Got heat, got air. This thing can go. Replacing the brakes. One thing this thing is a paint job. It's got aftermarket wheels. 70 scoop on the trunk. Got 373 gears. Gotta clean this car. And you won't find no rust on this car. That back window, like usually these back windows and the roofs are all rotted. Not this. The paint job's starting to fail on it. But it's all original and it's got this paint. Got heavy duty suspension. Ball joints and all this. That's all original stuff in there. Some of it was replaced, but it was kept clean. And the garage was second owners of it. Right after the guy sold us his car, he passed. He even had a Pace Oldsmobile. Used to go around the track with. It was a Pace car. Right, worth $100-something thousand. We bought this off real cheap years ago. It had a pole down on it, on the corner panel. He went sideways in it. Something like it wasn't cheap. Took the motor out, took the trans out, and we put it all back, all rebuilt, all brand new. We've never done building them, but now you can just come down here and get in it and go to a car show. It's badass. How clean this car is. Very clean. 400 turbo transmission, 2800 stall speed converter. You never even know it's in there. It's like a caddy. It's fast, it handles good. Always 455, 30 over, baby. Everything works. And there's not one thing old on this car, besides the paint. Beautiful.